Melissa owns a successful financial practice, but she's running into limitations with its current structure. She's been recently uncovering opportunities with clients and potential practice acquisitions. However, they require access to other custodial partners. She heard about the hybrid RIA business model, but it seems complex and she doesn't want to get consumed with compliance and operational tasks. Melissa would like to have a support system that allows her to grow while still having autonomy and the option to select her own custodial affiliations. Then she heard about the Financial Services Network. The Financial Services Network is a national enterprise office supporting independent financial advisors with broker-dealer connectivity in addition to multi-custodial access through their hybrid RIA affiliation. The Financial Services Network gives independent advisors the power and flexibility to choose custodial partners for managing their client assets, as well as identifying merger, acquisition, and succession opportunities through their multi-custodial RIA affiliations. They use their 6 core services to assist savvy entrepreneurs like Melissa. Melissa decided to partner with the Financial Services Network. And what were the results? She now has higher compensation, lower overhead, and more growth opportunity than before. Melissa is also closing more business and is better positioned to acquire a new practice as a result of her custodial flexibility and the services she leverages from the network. Thanks to the Financial Services Network, Melissa is redefining her success.